Internet, Rainy Brain here. Today I'm going to be making an ATC with the July Stickii Pop Pack and some master boards. So I'm starting first by figuring out which size and shape I want my first piece of masterboard to be, because I've decided to use two and make it kind of a split design. Now I'm going to figure out the size for the second piece. And I want this one to have a rough edge, so I'm tearing it. And I'm going to tear the part I want to keep down and the part I'm taking off up, so that it leaves a more rough looking edge. And I think that looks fine. I'm using a playing card to strengthen the card, and it also means I don't have to cut the masterboards exactly to size, because I'll use the card as a guide. So I have a little room to play with how far I want this piece to lay on top of the blue one. I'm going to go ahead and put my sticker down first so that I can have a better idea of what it's going to look like. This is from the July Stickii pack, the pop pack, and here's the feature artist. I'm going to trim first so I have a better guide. These stickers are very old and not sticky anymore, so I'm taking that little dimensional square off so that I can just make a sticker or just add glue to the back of this and not worry about it. Then I have some words that I've cut out of various books, and I've turned them into stickers for such purposes as making ATCs. I'm going to give this one a little black border with some ink. Just making sure everything is nice and stuck on there. This glue is probably overkill for paper crafting, but I still use it all the time. Then I'm gonna give the whole card a black edge. And there it is. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you have any theme suggestions for future ATCs. I'm always looking for things to inspire me to create more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!